born in batches, with dozens in every litter. The sibling stars of our sun are now spread throughout the spiral arms of the Milky Way galaxy. As we leave our galaxy, the individual stars appear to blend together. Our Milky Way is really a vast spiral galaxy, a congregation of hundreds of billions of suns. But you have to get out here, outside the galaxy, to see the whole thing. We've never had this view before. Remember back on Earth, where we could only see a few thousand stars? Well, all of them lie within that tiny part of the galaxy.